Hello. When you submit work for a milestone, it has to be updated. It's not the same as a task. So you submitted late, the task late, which means it was your responsibility to make any updates um, based on critiques from other people and just critiques in the class in general. So you just need to ask yourself, what can I do to update this work to make it look more professional? Well, one thing you could do is delete these empty boxes that don't mean anything. So you could easily do that into Photoshop. Otherwise, you probably saw I made notes about bookmarks not being that terrific of a gift for somebody. Unless it's printed like on real hard plastic or something special, it just looks homemade and crafty, and nobody really wants that. The coaster is an expensive idea. I made notes to somebody else who did that as well. You want to do a little research if that's something you're seriously going to pursue. You might find it cost prohibitive. It's a surprise how expensive they are. And the sticky notepad is a good idea. I think everybody would want and use that. You could also look to see if there's a pencil you could add to it, make it a nice little gift kit. Anyway, so those are my notes. Again, the task is not supposed to be the same as a milestone. It's worth a lot more points, and you're expected to update your work. And if you're late, then you really need to think about what else you could do with it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.